So I'm gonna show you guys the farm. Oops. Oh, snowing today. It's gonna be fun. Good morning.
How are you?
Oh, you know.
Yeah. I was struggling to get up this morning. I was like,
This is the first time I wasn't struggling to get up.
oh, really?
Yeah, I woke up at like 2 a.m. and then I went back to sleep and then I was like up before my alarm.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
No, I like woke up at like 4 in the morning and I was like wide awake. I'm like, wow.
You're already ready to come
And
to the
then-
farm.
Yeah, and it seemed like my alarm was going off like right after. I'm like, oh,
Hi, Apollo.
Tessa, come. Oh, what is that thing?
It's the little DJI cameras.
That's cool.
Yeah, I think so too. I gotta get my money's worth now, right? I do it like this. Apollo. That's good enough.
Aw.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
Isn't it so cute?
Going. I love this. Yeah.
Yes. So handsome. Apollo.
You want some hay?
You see?
Why isn't this?
Adam. Hi, Adam. So cute. I am so tired. That was like a 5-hour workout, but we are done. I'm gonna drive home. It's been a day, that's for sure. Bye. Thank you for watching. Sorry I look like shit.